How to activate Milestone credit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate your Milestone credit card. For this, you first of all want to open up any web browser. If you have not applied for the Milestone credit card, you can simply click on the Apply Now option. That's going to take you to another page where you will have to enter some of your details. So go ahead and enter the details such as your name, address, email, phone number, date of birth, social security number, total monthly income, and total monthly expenses. Go through all of this and click on the Submit Application option. Once your credit card has been approved and you have your credit card and want to activate it, then you want to log into your online account first. For that, click on the My Account option. Then you want to enter your username and password. Now click on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the Activate Card option. Now follow the on-screen prompts to enter the required information such as your card number, security code, and some personal identification details. After submitting the activation form, you should receive a confirmation that your card has been activated. This will be displayed on the screen or sent to your registered email address. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.